Want to speak real French from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at FrenchPod101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Erwan. Salut tout le monde, c'est Erwan. Welcome to the French whiteboard lesson. In this lesson, you'll learn how to give your name in French. Let's get started. Let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the phrase that shows the speaker's name. Find that phrase and see how it's used in the dialogue. Bonjour, je m'appelle Hugues, enchanté. Je m'appelle Marc, enchanté. Hello, my name is Hugh, nice to meet you. My name is Marc, nice to meet you. Bonjour, je m'appelle Hugues, enchanté. Je m'appelle Marc, enchanté. Now, let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern will be the structure that our dialogue followed. Je m'appelle, name, enchanté. My name is, name, nice to meet you. Je m'appelle, name, enchanté. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First, we have bonjour, hello, bonjour, bonjour. Je, I, je, m'appelle. It's a reflexive verb. Call myself. M'appelle. M'appelle. Enchanté. Nice to meet you. Enchanté. Enchanté. Salut. Hi. Salut. Salut. Do you remember how to say hi? Je. And how to say call myself? M'appelle. M'appelle. Do you remember how to say nice to meet you? Enchanté. Enchanté. And how to say my name is Marc. Nice to meet you. Je m'appelle Marc, enchanté. Je m'appelle Marc, enchanté. In this lesson, you learn how to give your name in French. Thanks for watching. I'm Erwan, and I will see you on FrenchPod101.com. Salut! À la prochaine!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.